Hi, hi everyone. In my first video of YouTube, you watch my project Intelligent Gesture Recognition Love and its outputs. Uh, uh, now, now I am going to give how it works and total hardware and connections. I think uh, it is helpful for you to do this project in your own. Then next, let's go. Uh, uh, b- Objectives of our project is the main aim of this seminar is to develop the gesture recognition law, to design to facilitate an easy communication through synthesized speech and display on LCD of benefit of audio vocally impaired individuals, generally vocally impaired individuals and dumb people communicates through the sign language, which is not understood by the majority of the people, uh, and audio impaired individuals means deaf people are not understood what we speak. The proposed system is designed to solve these problems. Gestures of user will be converted into synthesized speech to convey audible message to others for vocally impaired అంటే dumb people కోసం, and displayed on LCD for audio impaired individuals అంటే deaf people కోసం. Okay. um, it also useful for partially paralyzed patients to communicate with the doctors and their relatives. This is the black diagram of our project. In this black diagram, we have Arduino board with 8 microcontroller. We have power supply to power on the this Arduino board, and and we give the input has flux sensor with a gloves, and we get the output from the audio output from the voice module APR33A3, and it is also connected to the speaker, and we get also the LCD display has outputs. Let's see how these are connected. This is the circuit view. Okay. This is the circuit view. This is the Arduino board. Okay, this is 8 microcontroller. These are flux sensors, and this is the voice module APR33A3. This is the speaker, LCD. Arduino board have 14 digital pins in the right side, and unlock pins in the left side, and we have the power pins also in the left side. Okay. We have three flux sensors connected to the unlock pins A0, A1, and A2. A2, and each flux sensor is in series with the 10 kilo ohm resistor. 10 kilo ohm resistor. This gives the voltage divider circuit. Voltage divider the voltage divider circuit is created. Voltage divider circuit is created, and the output voltage is taken across the flux sensors, so that by using the analog read serial code in examples of Arduino IDE, we get different serial values by bending the flux sensor. Okay. The output side we have APR33A3 voice module. It is mainly used to record and play back the sounds. Okay. APR33A3 voice module is having 8 pins on the left side. Okay, here, and on the top we have VCC and ground pins, and two pins are connected to the speaker. The, Approximately we have a sliding switch in the down here. Okay, has it has two modes. Okay, this sliding switch, when it is on, it plays the sound, and when it is in off, it records the sound. Okay, this 8 pins indicates 8 sounds, and 8 pins indicates 8 sounds. For each pin, for each particular sound is recorded when the switch is in the switch is in off position, and for each pin a particular sound is played when it is switches in play mode, when that particular pin is grounded. Okay, okay, and we have the LCD display. Okay, as shown in figure, the LCD display is connected to the Arduino board. Okay, the Arduino board is not connected. By writing the code in the Arduino 8MECA328 microcontroller using Arduino IDE, the various gestures we can get the various sounds and various words displayed on the LCD. Okay, it is shown in the next video. The software details of the project is shown in the next video. Okay, operations. Yeah, the various gestures, like we show like this operations. Okay, we assume that when the if the flux sensor is state, we assume as 0. When the flux sensor is bended, we assume as 1. And it's in that when the flux sensor 1 is bended and 2 and 3 is in state condition, we have the output from speaker and LCD display has need help. And when the flux sensor 1 and 3 is state and only flux sensor 2 is bended, the output has call to doctor from speaker and the LCD display. When the flux sensor 1 and 2 is state and only 3 is bended, we get the output as I am hungry from the LCD display and speaker. And when the flux sensor 1 and 2 flux sensors are bended at a time, and only flux sensor 3 is in state condition, we get the output has need help. And when the flux sensor 1 and 3 is bended, only 2 is in state condition, we get output as thank you from speaker and display. And when the output when the flux sensor 3 and 2 is bended, only 1 is in state condition, we get the output as sorry. When the 3 flux sensor is bended, we get the output from only from LCD display as be happy. When the flux sensor 1, 2, 3 are in state condition, we get the output as welcome only from the speaker, not from the display. In our project, it is a disadvantage of these two. This is not coming of sound. This is not coming of display. Okay. Results snapshots are shown like this. Instructions are only one is bended, we get the output has need help from the display and need help from the speaker. The flux sensor 2 is only bended, we get the output as call to doctor as a sound and the call to doctor as a LCD display. And when the flux sensor 3 is only bended, we get the output as I am hungry and it is displayed on the LCD display. When the only flux sensors 1 and 2 is bended, we get the output has need water from the LCD display and speaker. The flux sensor 1 and 3 is bended, we get the output has thank you from the speaker and thank you from the display. The flux sensors uh, 2 and 3 is bended, we get the output has sorry from the display and speaker. When all flux sensors are bended, we get the output as be happy from the display, but we cannot get the sounds from speaker. When the flux sensors all are in state, we get no display, but we get the output from this speaker has welcome. This is not coming up the display and the not coming up the sound is disadvantage of project. This project is portable and easy to carry. This project is somewhat costs around 2500, and the software details are shown in next project. So please like, share and subscribe my video to um, to get the next